Hello everyone and welcome to Northshore Pier in Brisbane. Just got off that weird bus route there, 304. It's so short. It's just a random circular service and to like the next suburb. But that's nearby Doomben station where I just took the train and then walked down here to that bus. So you can go see that video if you want to see that train line. But anyway, we're here now and this is the terminus of the main Brisbane CityCat ferry F1, the main route which goes all along the river. There are several other routes, including some peak-only express services and just little routes which just cross the river like quickly, like literally just here to there, for example. Not exactly here, but like just like that. But this F1 is the main route which literally goes all along the river, taking like an hour and a half through central Brisbane. And this here is the terminus. Beyond here is like industry and then the ocean already. So that's why we're gonna take it, the CityCat ferry, all the way, full trip to the University of Queensland, all along the river, an hour and a half, which is gonna be a long video, but it's really interesting. Like the views are amazing. It's so good that you literally pay 50 cents for this. So this is a nice little spot here as well along the river, but we're gonna head inside and get on board. Yeah, so I really love the concept of ferry public transport, like properly. Here's the full timetable of the services. And here's the map. So we're right here at Northshore Hamilton for the F1, which goes all along the river to the UQ St Lucia. Now the other services are listed here. There's the F11, which is peak only from up here, like one stop from here, and then just goes there and then here, but then skips those stops all along there, skips, and express to Riverside, which is where the city is. So that's like for commuters. And then same with the F12 from the other direction. But it's not like it goes anywhere unique, it just skips stops. So it's not that serious if I don't go on it, of course. And then the other four are just literally cross-river services, including this one, which is traveled by the F1 anyway, the F21. Sorry, my camera is not focusing, but you see it just crosses there. That's it, 5-minute service. The F22 crosses there to Dockside, which is not served by anything else, but that's okay. On the other side of the river. F23 crosses from the city in Riverside to there. Also not served by anything else. And finally F24 crosses from there to Maritime Museum. And that's it. That's the whole ferry network. Those cross-river ones are operated by really little ferries, but as you can see, it's really just the main F1. I don't know why it's numbered so weirdly, like not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but anyway, even with just the F1, it's already a massive network. Like, look how long that is, all along, so many stops, so good. So even just with that. So that's why it's really interesting, and we're gonna take it all the way. I'm not gonna worry about the other ones. So this is the inside. We'll go out the back. Okay, here we go. This is the exactly 12 noon departure. I don't know how the video is gonna go with the engine motor noises, but it's so sunny actually. This is gonna be really long. I apologize, but it's really a beautiful view of the whole Brisbane city. So I did ride in the night on the first day I was here, for like in the inner city section, and it's just so nice. So should probably go to the front actually. Nice and windy here. There's the other direction one. Okay, I've changed my mind actually. We're just gonna do a time lapse for most of the sections between the stops because it's so windy and otherwise it's gonna be way too long. But here we are now at the first stop, Apollo Road. This is a really basic one. And then the next stop is literally across the river, like right there. Oh, right there. Which is kind of funny. All right, we are now at University of Queensland, St Lucia stop. I took the entire thing, stood at the front as well. Definitely an interesting ride, but 1 hour and 20 minutes is quite insane. Definitely don't take the whole thing like that for actual transport. What you can actually do is over there, the next stop after here at the west end is the terminus of the City Glider bus service, which then actually takes you to Teneriffe stop. So all the way from here, it goes straight up here. So if you're trying to go to, like, I don't know, Brett's Wharf from here, you can take the ferry, take the bus, and take the ferry again, and you'll probably end up there a lot quicker. But yeah, we stopped at all the normal F1 stops, except Milton for some reason. I just found out every second boat skips Milton. Like, why? It's just giving it half-hourly service while everywhere else is 15 minutes. But okay. Anyway, this is now the university. That was the ferry trip with all the nice views from the front with that time-lapse. Didn't make it a long real-time video because I realized it's not really needed when the ferry is pretty slow anyway. So hope you enjoyed seeing all that. Now from here I can continue my filming adventures by getting on the Brisbane Metro M2 service, which runs from here to some hospital on the other end of the city. So we'll check that out now. But yeah, don't need to go on any more ferries. I really covered everything except the little tiny ferries which cross the river for the stops which aren't served. So I might just get one of those myself and maybe include a little clip. But other than that, that's it for Brisbane's very cool ferry network. I really wish Perth had something this extensive. It's so nice. Here we are on board the KittyCat ferry. It's tiny, it's so weird. It's literally just going over there to that other wharf. It's so weird that they have these really short routes. Freeway's so jammed. This is gonna be the whole route, ready? Like 2 minutes. It's so ridiculous. This is like actually so crazy. It's like a 100-meter route across the river, and there's like 4 of these with these KittyCat ferries. What is the point? So dumb. and that's it. Well, we're just waiting for the actual proper ferry to move out of the way. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Brisbane video. We are in Redland Bay. Sorry, not in service. Drivers wanted WH. What? But we're here actually to film another ferry service, which I didn't even realize existed in the last visit I was here. So, I mean, I didn't film all the kitty cats in the city anyway, because it's like the same. There's just one little stop across the river. But anyway, over here we have lots of islands to go to. We have platform 1 and platform 2 with the buses here, and then for some reason it says platform 3 and 4 for the ferries. Like, what? Yeah, because there's lots of islands out here, as you can see, and it does a clockwise and anti-clockwise loop. And yeah, I've never heard them calling ferry wharfs platforms, but okay. And here is this ferry. So now it takes so long to get here. I just took the full Cleveland line and the bus. It was like almost 2 hours, 1 hour and 40 minutes just to get here. And now on the ferry as well. Alright, after a very windy and loud journey, we've got from the Redland Bay to Kanagara or whatever. Karagara Island.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next stop is Karagara Island. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated during the yellow line and the red line until the safe line. Important reminders. We are now arriving at Karagara Island.
This is still being branded as TransLink. And just crossing over there to Macleay Island. Here we are. We're gonna get off here now just to take a quick look around, wait 20 minutes for the next ferry. This is such an isolated community. It feels like we are in some Pacific island somewhere, or like it is so strange. There's even a European shop called Spar up there, which like I've never seen in Australia. So I'm very surprised at that. But they have the ferry here. It's just an absolutely ridiculous long commute to get anywhere from here. Like already getting to Redland Bay took like 2 hours plus this 20-minute ferry. Although it is a very pretty area, you would not think you're somewhere served by Brisbane Metropolitan public transport. And like this is where a ferry is genuinely needed. There's literally nothing else you can use. And there's actually lots of people here. So the ferry's packed, but there's no bus on the island. So once you're here, well, you just gotta walk. And the next ferry should be here in 1 minute, it says. Oh yeah, it's just over there.
Yes.
There's a petition to actually get a bus. Sign the e-petition to get an inclusive transit bus service on the island so that people can have access to the ferry terminal. Yeah, exactly. Sign that, scan, or how can you scan it? I don't know.
You can.
And yep, we're right here. Nice shot with the sun. Oh yeah, of course, the sun sets on that side. I was like so confused for a moment. Another little one. The ferry is still pretty full. Not as full as it was before though. Why does it have to turn this way? I thought it has an exit on both sides. Russell Island, is this the last one? Yeah. So everyone should get off now, basically. Yeah. Yeah, this it's like the biggest island here, so. What is that ferry? Just like parked there. Because there are some services which terminate here, but I thought they have to go back anyway, but no. There's such a weird spot. It looks so nice with the sun right now. The moon. Damn it. And now we're back at Redland Bay after like more than an hour. Nice to see those islands and all these people relying on this service. There were so many people. I also realized on the old zone map, this was zone 3 right here, but that was zone 5. They just skipped zone 4, like ripping everyone off when you had to pay to get all the way out there to that island location. But anyway, now it's all 50 cents. And just cool to take Brisbane's other ferry that not many people know about, and I didn't either, compared to the CityCats, of course, and the KittyCats there. So, very nice journey across, although it is very windy and noisy. And now it's nearly dark, and now I have to get out of here again with public transport, which is terrible because this bus is like every more than an hour. It's like so bad, so good luck. And it takes like 2 hours to the city, like literally 2 hours to go anywhere. There's like a massive mountain in the way there, which is not even part of Brisbane apparently, and that's what blocks you from going anywhere.